it's Brother Hart here again. I was checking the line arrays, the speakers, and the left side lowest line array is busted. It's not even pouring up, and also one of the subwoofer is dead, and two of them has a full volume gain, and then the other two are even like zero. So this journey today is getting the gain not only on the board, but firstly make sure the speakers are working and have the balance before ringing the room. It's like before you tweak, you're gonna make sure first that your hardware is working. So it's gonna be a pain a little bit. You are unable to fix something if the hardware itself is dead. So we're gonna see the root cause of the problem first, and then we do other stuff. All right, see you next time.